Hi everyone, we just finished Yuval's fourth lesson, and instead of sticking with Shostakovich's second waltz, I thought it'd be a good idea to switch to an easier song just for this lesson, so that Yuval can have the good feeling, and myself, of actually having a song under his belt, of actually playing a song, not just struggling with the timing of Shostakovich's second waltz. So one takeaway from this video is how to learn a song, whether it's with a teacher or whether by yourself. We learn the song's rhythm, we learn its left-hand chords, we learn the melody, and then we put both hands together, and when we come upon some trouble, we slow it down and concentrate on that area. The second part of the lesson, we do revisit Shostakovich's second waltz, and we just concentrate on isolating the issue. The issue right now is coordinating both hands together when the right hand holds a note longer than the left hand. This happens in waltzes where the right hand is holding the note for 4 beats, and the left hand is only playing 3 notes. Ba, ba, 1, 2, 3. So what we do is we diagnose the problem. We see that Yuval knows his right hand, he knows his left hand. Things are okay with rhythm. When I play the left hand, he can play the right hand. When he plays the right hand, I can play the left hand. And so we just concentrate on coordinating both hands together. After playing separate hands, right away we switch to hands together, and Yuval gets it. We also switch the accordions because the black accordion has an air leak and it's a little bit harder to play. We'll continue next week, but yeah, I just wanted you guys to see what it's like to learn a song from scratch and what it's like to troubleshoot a song. The full lesson is up as an unlisted video, but for now, here are the lesson highlights. Enjoy. Hi everyone, this is our fourth lesson with Yuval. I have an idea. Let's learn a song. Maybe that's a bit easier to keep the students' enthusiasm in learning. So let's try and do that today. We're gonna try and learn the song. And I would do G major, C major, stay in C major, la la la, la la la, la 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 la. Amazing. Good. After that. Good. Good. Let's go from the beginning. Can you do that whole phrase? Yes. Back to C. Yes. Up. Good. Let's do that part again. Ooh, 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 ooh. Good. Do you want to work on Shostakovich a bit?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Cool.
Show me where you're at.
So that's the part that's confusing, right?
Yeah.
I'll play the left hand and you play the right hand. Let's fit it in. So give it a second whenever you're ready. Amazing. I'm gonna play the right hand and you're gonna play my left hand. So start the G major and wait for me. Good, good. Awesome. So you got it. Like you understand it. Show me the. Let's try it. Both hands together. Yes. Try it again. Yeah.